Hello, friends. Hope you are doing great. In today's lesson, I'm going to brief you essay writing, how to write an essay. The topic is failures and success in life. You may have come across a person working hard but not successful as he should be. Being smart and working hard does not necessarily means that you actually gain what you had dreamt about. There are a lot of factors involved that affect the success. People start believing that they are invincible. So the thing about being successful is that it's an ongoing process. There are a lot of people better than you at various stages or things. Some people don't realize this and think they are invincible because they are really good at what they do. The problem or trouble with thinking like this is that there will always be someone who is smarter than you, works harder than you, or has better luck than you when it comes to achieving success. And when that happens, these people start to feel defeated and don't know how to get out of their rut. The feeling of invincibility can make a person overestimate their abilities and not try as hard as they should in fear of failing. They think they will always be successful, so they stop thinking or stop taking risks or pushing themselves. In some point of time in their lives, they start thinking that whatever they do, it will turn out fine. That might be true, but eventually you hit a slump and won't work out the way you want them to. Some individuals don't like accepting help because they think they can do everything on their own and don't need anyone's help. If you want to be successful, then accepting help from others is a key to success. In order to be successful, you need to make sure that you are staying up to date on the latest trends in your field. One more important factor for you is to make friends and enlarge relationship with people who can benefit you in the future. If you want to be successful, then it's very important that you get the right amount of everything, not too much, not too little. Success in life is not always guaranteed for people who are smart and hardworking. As long as you're persistent in your efforts, then nothing can ever stand in the way of your success. So be smart, hardworking, and determined, always to achieve the goals set in your life. So that's all for today. Hope to join you soon. Until then, take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.